Hi everyone, I'm Josh Katz, CPA from joshkatzcpa.com. If you're watching this, chances are you started out doing your own bookkeeping to save money and stay in control. That's completely normal. Almost every business owner begins that way. But as your business grows, bookkeeping can start holding you back. Today, I'm going to share 6 clear signs you've outgrown doing your own bookkeeping. By the end, you'll know if it's time to delegate and free up your time for what really matters. Let's dive in. Sign number 1 is that you're constantly behind. If you're telling yourself, I'll catch up over the weekend, but somehow the weekend never comes. Your books aren't reconciled. Receipts are piling up, and when tax season arrives, it feels like chaos. Sounds familiar? When you're always catching up, it means your bookkeeping isn't working for you. It's working against you. Being behind leads to more errors, missed deductions, and stress that you don't need. That's the clue that it might be time to get some professional help. The second sign is that you're totally not sure what you're doing. You wonder, is this expense really deductible, or did I record that correctly? Maybe you're not sure about sales tax or when to recognize income. If you hesitate before every entry, that's a warning sign. Even small bookkeeping mistakes can snowball into major tax or cash flow issues. If you find yourself second guessing, it's time to bring in someone who knows the rules and can keep you compliant. Third sign. You dread logging into QuickBooks or Xero. You open it and immediately close it again. You feel overwhelmed, frustrated, and maybe even guilty. If bookkeeping drains your energy every month, that's a problem. Your time should be spent running your business, not stressing over spreadsheets. If you're avoiding your books, that's your business telling you that it's time for support. The fourth sign is that your business has grown or become more complex. What started as a few monthly transactions has turned into hundreds. Now you have payroll, multiple bank accounts, credit cards, maybe even inventory. You might be dealing with sales tax or international clients. When your business grows, your bookkeeping needs to grow too. DIY methods that worked early won't keep up with that complexity. A professional bookkeeper can handle the details so that you can focus on strategy and growth. The fifth sign is you're making decisions without clear financial data. You're relying on gut instinct instead of solid numbers. If you're not sure what your real profit margins are, you don't know exactly where your cash is going. Without accurate books, you're flying blind. This makes it easy to overspend, misprice, and miss opportunities. Good bookkeeping gives you confidence and lets you make decisions smarter and faster. The sixth sign, you suspect you're paying more tax than you should. If you look at your tax bill and wonder, why is it so high? That's a major sign that your bookkeeping may not be capturing everything. When your books aren't clean or detailed, you may be missing legitimate deductions. Things like a home office expenses, mileage, subscriptions, and depreciation can easily be overlooked in DIY systems. Good bookkeeping and tax planning go hand in hand. If your numbers aren't accurate, your accountant can't find savings. When your records are precise, your tax return becomes strategic, and that means thousands of dollars saved each year. If you think you're paying too much in taxes, that's not just a gut feeling, it's often a bookkeeping issue. Let me give you a few quick bonus signs from other bookkeeping experts. If you're drowning in receipts or invoices, that's a clue. Tax season causes panic, that's another. If you're constantly chasing payments or losing track of who owes you money, that's a big one too. And if someone on your team, like an assistant, is sort of handling the books, that's a recipe for trouble. All of these means you're likely outgrown DIY bookkeeping. So what should you do if some of these sound familiar? First, consider scheduling a bookkeeping review or financial health check. A professional can quickly spot gaps or errors or help you catch up. Second, start small. You can hand off one piece at a time, like monthly reconciliations or reporting, and grow from there. Third, work with someone who helps you understand your numbers. You want a partner, not just a data entry person. Someone who explains what these numbers mean and how to use them. Finally, remember, outsourcing doesn't mean losing control. It means gaining time, focus, and confidence in your financials. So how many of these signs hit home from you? If one or more sounded familiar, then that's a sign that it might be time to let go of DIY bookkeeping. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more small business and bookkeeping tips. And if you're ready for help, click on the link below or visit joshkatzcpa.com to schedule a free bookkeeping review. Thanks for watching. I'm Josh Katz, CPA, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, you run your business best when your books are in good hands.